Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Noman Educational Center. I am back with another topic. This topic is 15.3 Mental and Laws of Inheritance and Growing Mental was Munich in patients is Australia. He development other future and mental purpose with that are the special factor in the pigments and which control experience and try to it experiment transmission it takes to next generate factor and eventually treatment chance in aspect that P plant and PGM sensitive carry out to large number of experiments and in other in reason to and selective and agreed that organism and experience should to have unfolding future and we should to the number and different in state and can be study fit point 15.6 in organic should to inaccurate that is other one treat to height and treat and two only different in organism it plan to shoot to and is splitting at other possible the organism should have to but past its circle that is this future and present it past to plant normally is past cause and pollutions it can also turn to and transforming it pollen its flower on other plant to eat and studies and be and plant successful he work it only in because it selected insight and because it in analyze that is result and using and principle that at stat and figure 15.33.1 in Mendel and a law of the segregations must subscribe my YouTube channel Numan Educational Center and now I am telling about this topic Mendel laws of inheritance and Shoecroft and was a monk and persuaded Australia to develop then and Mendel proposed they are the three special facts in germ and which control the expression state and transmission the next generation the factor and aware and inventory turn genes and models selectively plant prints and stadium carry an out large number of experience invent and give reason of this selection in agreement in an organism but and genetic experiments should to have a following future there should to be number of different and traits that can be and sealed fig 15.6 the organism should to have a considering the trees it for in that and highest the should to be only very different perfect an organism if it to plant and should to be and fertilizing at a possible and with organism have to shoot and face of life is circle and that attitude and back is the future type of present is plant to normally for of other cross pollution in can also done to transmission through in floor another plant to each treat and studies and pure plant and succeed he to not only because I should to write and analyze and result using principle of state and 15.33.1 met laws of sigma that one in other to go back is reasons another one to progress that one is most important than one carry out this large number of experiment in varieties reason and selection act an organism genetic experience should to have following feature there should to be a number of that can be is most important than an organism should have considering test e dot for the trait on higher these and should to only two and very different platform that other one organism if had to plant should and self fertilizing and but across possible the organism that and one other one to in most important that other one to topic and most important can to be studying 15.6 the organism should have considering the trait and for other trait and height these should to be only very different and possible the organism should have to short to bit fast to circle these a future or present p and plant normally for transplantation and can also done and restriction prohibition another one to another tree to and study and go back is one only because should to and because other instilling and the principle that one and each treat student be plant and success and work to not only because selected inside organism because analyze in result by using the principle of state 15.3.1 and Mendel law of Sig rotations and model studies and intent and seed and shape past and these prove that having and conceding tight a shape of other is cross to one in most important is factor than an model status enhanced to seed stay fast for this purpose plants having a one conceding that I dot is shape to and cross switch and time to call and moon bread it calls to mental cross it choose and barrier to and breeding wing and seed plants in other it must important question number 15.33.1 Merrill's law of the equations must important this lecture is now I am telling about this lecture the study is inheritance must subscribe my YouTube channel if you are new please keep supporting keep watching must subscribe my YouTube channel Allah Hafiz